When my father no longer exists in this world, I thought all the dreams of making him happy had gone. But I was wrong, because I realized that I still can make him proud in different ways with my own way.
The sun is rising, take a look at the reason. Can I see it shining bright, the light is warming up right to your skin. Can I stop complaining, you don't need to cry. You are not the only one who faced the life with your scream.
It doesn't matter when you lost a hard day, you will find a way to make it your way. Even if the skies get dark and gray, you can get in that way. It doesn't matter when they're talking all day, they ain't even better than a soul stay. We can fight together, don't give up and make it time. But wake up, no more tears drop on the floor, get free to sorrow. We'll go round the world and greet tomorrow. Wake up, no more tears drop on the floor, get free to sorrow. We'll go round the world and greet tomorrow.
We can climb the mountains, break the walls up blocking. We can clear the can't stop complaining, no you don't need to cry. You are not the only one who faced the life with your scream.
It doesn't matter when you lost a car day, you will find a way to make it your way. Even if the skies get dark and gray, you won't get in our way. It doesn't matter when they're talking all day, they ain't even better than a soul stay. We can fight together, don't give up and make it time to wake up. No more tears drop on the floor, get rid of sorrow. We'll go round the world and greet tomorrow. Wake up, no more tears drop on the floor, get rid of sorrow. We'll go round the world and greet tomorrow.
Life is about dreaming. Living without a dream is a mistake. It is not easy to reach a star far from the eye, but reality keeps us away from our expectations. Success is a choice. Everyone has equal opportunity. The problem is, what is your choice? Go ask yourself.